Okay, so Girl Tag is getting an update. It was super late. It's 1:47. They're supposed to come out at like 1, but it usually comes out 1:05 since they gotta launch a file and then you gotta update it, and usually does that. But it's 1:47, which I understand, but the Discord chat was going crazy. It was very intense. Yeah, my voice is weird because I woke up not too long ago and didn't do much since I just been sitting on my phone waiting for the update. Okay, it's done. Whoa. Create a new boundary. Switch to stationary. We are not doing that. We are definitely not doing that. This boundary sucks. It sucks entirely. I'm gonna hit so much stuff in this video. Be aware. Be aware for intense pain. Okay. I think, because I've seen the trailer. Okay, what? Hold on. Whoa! Ambush? Hunt? Oh! Wait, hold on. Okay, we're gonna join Little Line VR. That's my code when I do updates. Oh, okay, okay, I'm having a heart attack right now. Put me on this flag. I deserve my own flag. Fireflies? This is the new summer. Hold on, we're checking caves out later. They boarded it up. For now. Clouds, they probably didn't. Whoa! Okay. So that is scary. Whoa. Is that water tiger thing? I'm lying, but if I were tiger thing, I would. Oh, these are so cool. Oh my gosh, new jackets. I do like my jackets. You can tell this is my summer fit. There might be a full edition. Wait. Okay. I'm gonna try the stuff I like on. I like all of it actually. Fur make sure. Okay, let's go run. Oh, there's a new, okay, this update. Oh yeah, I have a top hat on. My bad, everybody. I'm gonna show you. That is so cool. This just scares me. Never do this again. Okay, now this. Whoops. Alright, I'm not waiting. Oh my gosh! Why did it go so fast? I gotta start here. Man. No. Alright, I'm gonna click both. It just flipped. I don't know how to work that. That's crazy. Oh, now you have to select a pack. Does that mean there could be more packs at once? Did they change these? They changed this. I feel like I don't remember it being that blocky. this? I don't even know. Wait, I don't know how to do that. And then got the. This is crazy. Hold on, let me buy the pin. It's 6,400. All right, I'm gonna check out the game mode last. Actually, I'm gonna go check out some of the map. Oh wait, is there a flashback? No, it would say. Whoa, wait. It's like fish. So they kept that. I thought that was going away. Somebody said something about that. Yeah, my voice is like getting crackly. They turned secret tunnel into a mouth. I'm hitting secret tunnel. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I may be sick. I don't actually really know. No! If I was just a little further. Wait, is this water or ice? Whoa, it's like... It's ice water. I don't get it. Oh, it's because we're in this map. Attention to detail. I like that. Cool. Wait, are these bouncy? No, they're not. They're really cool. Oh, wait, what? It's starting to dry. Ooh. Mountains is melting? This update is great. We gotta have the monkey. Okay. I'm going to check out every map, but I'm going to check out some maps that are close to me and that I saw. I don't think they'll do much with this. I mean, it's New York. It's like the New York map. Yeah. Oh, yeah, they're building this, so it should slowly start getting better. Oh, wait, what? Mountain, cave, rotating, visit the canyon. I'm going to do that. Oh, they did add. So, yeah, they added the... They added new signs. And in the middle over here, there's a shark. Alright, I'm gonna go look at Canyon and then go to the new... Probably gonna be improved caves. I did see the trailer for caves. There was like what it is. So there was a piece of ice that was dripping. I don't know if I have a picture, but I did see some ice. Okay, so we're going here. And whoa, new target, summer camp. It's like, yeah, this is like a summer camp thing. Got like target practice. All right, let me do some training real quick. I'm not falling in the crevices anymore. I'm going into caves alone though. Nah, but we got Matt. And we got the plush and little lion, but with legs. Okay, first off, got some fire points. Second of all, yeah, see, dripping thing. Dripping ice. And you might be like, oh, but that's keeping that flow. Oh my gosh. Exactly. It's keeping the flow. And we got Matt the scuba diver back. I heard there are sharks. Come on, Matt. We got this. Where's Matt? I mean, the Sharks. Mark the Sharks. Mark the Shark. Please make that a name. Mark the Shark. Oh my gosh, Sharky. 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 Get over here. Are you gonna eat me? Are you gonna be a vicious lava monkey? Whoa. They don't attack, which is amazing. I was totally holding my breath that whole time and not breathing. I would have been dead. It'd probably be like a world. Alright, where's my... I'm gonna try out the new game mode. Oh yeah, follow the path. Oh, the Sharky! The Sharky. Sharky. Alright, Matt. Oh, he can fly in the water. Since he's just a little bad. Wait, does this sound different? No, they just... Amazing. My throat. Trying to get whatever's in my throat out, so if I'm like coughing. That's it. Alright, I think ambush. Ambush is basically something like comes up behind you without you knowing. So I'm just gonna put it on option 1 and we're gonna go out here. Okay.
Can you see us? Can you see us? No.
Okay, I'm going on a new map. This map sucks.
Oh, I literally can't see you guys. Bro, where are you? I can't see you. You're in the forest. Oh no. Do you guys catch that with the voice? But he can't see our white things. He can't see our white things. But can he hear us?
Who?
No.
Can who hear us?
Guys, what's this new update? What is this new game mode?
Oh, this update is so good.
We all just want an ambush.
I might
What do you do? What are you doing
in
it?
chat?
Okay, if you
It's only
get
five minutes
ambushed
to
by
do
a
code.
visible person, you become into a visible person, then you have to get everybody else. Yo, thank you.
Among us.
Yo, get back!
Someone's chasing after me. I knew it.
Is it just me or am I lagging?
I changed my time zone just to do this. Oh, I can use the cosmetics.
I love how Red said get juked one
Just
time
me or
when...
am I lagging like really bad?
Yeah, sure you're
Now
lagging.
go and get some people for us.
Sure he's lagging.
Alright, wait, I'm gonna put a code on the screen.
Cosmetics to the team.
Whoa.
Oh my god! I'll do the cosmetics. Haha, you suck.
Yeah, good. Yeah.
Got ambush.
The summer camp update.
How do we do this?
Ambush is coming. Ambush kind of sucks. I thought it would be like a horror map.
No.
Cosmetics are such a pay to lose right now.
Who's the last person?
Okay. Guys, ambush. Whoa, is this like a new?
Oh my god, Kenny.
Let me check how cool. Oh my. I'm not checking caves yet. I'm checking caves.
Caves has sharks in it and it's flooding. I'm getting a call. Hello.
Oh wait, I gotta take off all my cosmetics. Taking off all my cosmetics right now.
Hello.
I'm taking off every single one of my cosmetics.
Me too.
Guys, look what I'm doing. Hey, look what I'm doing. Such a
Alright, I just got a spam call.
Everybody
stupid.
find blue. Find blue.
Oh my gosh.
I see blue.
I'm gonna take off my cosmetics.
This game mode, you
I'm
want
a
to take
strip.
all of your cosmetics off. All of your cosmetics not see you. Yeah, every single cosmetic.
Sorry, plushie. I have
Okay,
to
I'm
take
doing
you
that.
off.
I'm doing that.
Oh, they
Don't
didn't
worry.
take this away either.
Hey, no way. Summer camp. I wish I had my marshmallow on me right now. Yeah, me too. Like, I can't afford it.
do it. That hurts so bad.
Well, if you're not tagged, they're just completely invisible. Yeah, that's fair.
Summer camp.
I get it.
GG. So
GG.
bad.
Oh my god.
No!
Dude, I cannot see anybody when I'm not tagged. I can't see anybody.
I'm gonna go and see beach.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to beach, but in ambush.
Wait, don't go yet, don't go yet. Look at me. Frighten me, do this.
I see. Wait, is there a shark in beach? Is there a shark in beach?
Now come here, follow me. Put your hand on here. Now follow me. Now go past here. No, wait, no.
So you go like this?
Oh,
What up, bro?
what's up?
Told you.
All right, let's go. I think there might be sharks. Oh gosh.
So is me. I'm climbing as fast as I can so I can see.
Ah, my controller.
Oh my god!
Whoa.
Let's go check it out. Woo! That's so slippery. Help me.
Swim.
Oh, you can turn invisible.
Come on, let's go up here.
It's a glitch. It's a new glitch.
That's not a glitch. He's fast.
I see him. He has a badge on. Get back!
Check this out.
You have a badge on, buddy.
I know.
Yeah, you do. Let me show you badge.
Follow me.
Oh.
Wait, no. Where's my friend?
Where are you?
Oh, change your name. I see you. Follow me. Guess what? I just found something. What is it? Wait for me. Up here. So you see from right here, right?
Mhm.
Wait for me. What? And there's also a flag. I'm gonna grab the flag. I can't get it. I can't grab. Oh my god, look over there. Did you see that? Wait,
I got you.
are those fireworks? No way. That is fireworks. I'm gonna go and chill somewhere. How do you not see me? Now,
I mean, you're quite literally invisible.
okay. Wait. Okay. I found a shark.
Where? Where?
It's under here.
Bro.
This whole slide.
Where?
Water park map now. Come here.
No, what are you doing? Don't get eaten.
Help us.
I'm already ate. I'm gonna. Dude, wait. Let's make it feel better. Let's go to fireworks. Let's go to the fireworks.
Just what we needed.
How? How are we supposed to go to the fireworks? Come on. Are you here? Yep, I'm here. Okay. Let's go. Over here. So the fireworks are over here. But I'm not so far. It won't let me.
This is insane.
Whoa. Oh yeah, the one berry. There's one near.
Oh, I just saw it. I just saw their footprints.
Hug the wall.
No.
Just gotta hug the wall, dang it. You hug the wall, you can get out.
You think you could run? Yellow, where are they?
You can hear the one barely.
Guys, I'm by the fireworks. Oh, I was so close to the fireworks.
Wait, there's fireworks?
Yeah, there's fireworks. And there's no way to get to them.
Fireworks? Where?
Yeah, they're up here. Can you see me? They're up there. No one can see you if you're invisible. Only a footstep. Then you're good. You're good, Yellow.
Thank you.
You're moving me like
Oh my God.
crazy. I got you. Wait, watch me. I know a glitch how to get to the fireworks.
Oh,
Mom, there's a new map today.
no, there isn't.
No. Okay. Whoa, why? Tag me. Okay, do this. I want you to walk. Do not jump. Do not jump. Just walk. Now come over here. Come over here, right here.
You guys, it's yours.
You,
Yours.
right? When you get tagged, I want you to do this. No, don't get that close. Don't get that close, okay?
No!
But we saw the fireworks.
Yeah, there's like fireworks shooters.
How do you see the fireworks?
Yo, where's the fireworks? Where's the fireworks? Yo, bro, I'd run.
Fireworks are up here. Right there.
Invisible hunter. Yo, where are they? Up there.
So you
right
basically gotta get tagged.
How do you set them
Invisible
off?
hunters is actually such a cool way. I would like that to look at.
I know how.
The worst thing you can do.
Oh. Get some cloth.
What is it actually?
Just a little fireworks. Just a little bit of nonsense.
The jaw-dropping moment. Take a darn picture.
Hey, take off your cosmetics and people won't see you. And you can tag them like nowhere.
Oh,
That was the best stealth kill.
you guys.
Well, that's the end of this video. I mean, I checked all the stuff out. Bye.